Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going over some of the options that we have for replacing the upholstery in your 2015 to 2020 Dodge Challenger. Alright guys, we have the seats pulled out of our customer's 2016 RT Challenger, and the new LeatherSeats.com upholstery is already installed on the passenger seat. We built this specific kit for our customer in a two-tone combination of black with bright red centers and contrasting bright red stitching. These inserts are done without perforation, however we do offer a perforation upgrade as well as an optional high-flow backing foam in the inserts for vehicles that either came with the factory ventilated seats or are upgrading with our Sanctum seat ventilation system. Our Challenger upholstery kits include replacement covers for both the front and rear seats and are actually designed for the original cloth to be removed before installation. They'll arrive pre-sewn and include all of the necessary J-clips and push clips, as well as hog ring attachment points for the rear cushion. For those of you do-it-yourselfers, you will need basic hand tools as well as hog rings and hog ring pliers. We also recommend using a clothing or upholstery steamer for optimal fitment. If you're planning on having your kit professionally installed, give us a call and we can see if there's a shop in your area. We offer several different leather content packages for the Challenger. We built this particular kit in our premium leather trim content, which is more leather than what's offered in most Dodge OEM interiors. Our premium kit features leather on the seating surfaces of both the front and back seats, with matching vinyl on the rest of the sides and backs. For a more budget-conscious project, we offer our deluxe leather trim content, which still features leather on the seating surfaces of the front seats, with leather inserts only on the rear and vinyl on the rest of the seats. For those of you wanting all leather, we do also offer a 100% leather upgrade.